New in Stella 3.7 is the ability to set global styles for charts. So I have this pie chart here, which represents the values of these three stocks. If I want a different default color scheme for a new chart, I can go to this tab, Global Graph Styles, where you'll see the colors match the colors used here. And I can go into Replace with Palette and pick, say, Bold Orange Purple 6. And then if I create a new chart, make it a pie chart, and add our stocks, you'll see that the colors now match the colors in this new palette we selected. You'll also notice that the colors in the old pie chart don't change. Usually, the colors picked here only apply to new charts and not to charts you've already made. But there are some exceptions. One of those is a comparative graph. So if we make a new graph, and add a stock, and make it comparative, and run the model, you'll see this orange color here matches the orange color here. But if we go back to this tab, and we change the palette to the Stella default, you'll see that it turns blue to match the blue here. The same is true of the results panel. So if we open that and click on, say, this stock, you'll see that this line is blue. And then if we go and change the palette back to bold orange purple, and open the results panel again and select the stock, you'll see that the line is now orange.